Hi, so today I'm going to be talking about my blog on the brand of BMW. And the big reason I chose BMW is because I'm a car guy, kind of, and I've always appreciated German cars, particularly BMWs, so I figured that would be a good topic for me. So starting off with the brand detail, that's a very large part of BMW. Typically, people purchase BMWs with the intention of buying a luxury car, a car that goes, above and beyond, you know, other features you wouldn't find in Toyotas and Hondas. Like leather seats, like the electronic controlled seats, stuff like that. Push to start, those kind of things. They also have a few subsidiaries. Those are going to be BMW, obviously, and then Mini Cooper and Rolls Royce. So they kind of have the Rolls Royce for the super fancy end of things. BMW uses the standard car, and Mini Coopers for select audience, like older women, moms, stuff like that. Services is a big part of BMW as well. You want a reputable dealership to be able to take your car to. And you want you want a good warranty, which BMW offers. It's 50,000 miles or 4 years actually. So if anything ever goes wrong with the car you bought from them, new or pre-owned, they will cover it for that time period. Now pricing. Now this is where BMW goes on the upper end. They're very expensive cars. I mean the new ones are. So a market trend that would be beneficial to BMW would be a prospering economy. Since BMW is a high-priced luxury brand, when the economy is going well, people are generally going to have more money to spend on cars like BMWs as opposed to the more economic Toyota or Honda. BMW is actually bigger in the European Union, although it still does have its place in America. Obviously, you see a lot of them on the road. I think this tactical placement helps BMW more efficiently market their products and who's interested in them. As far as advertisements, you see billboards off the freeway, go BMW dealership off this exit. Things that'll let you know there's a BMW dealership nearby. Pictures of flashy cars. And, oh, you want to buy this? You can lease this for 600 a month, stuff like that. Yeah, but in conclusion, basically, I chose BMW because I think they're a very reputable brand, and I've always been a car enthusiast, and I really like BMW.